что, мы сейчас будем кукать Матza Babka. У нас здесь таланчик, Иланчик. Поехали! Что у нас сегодня за ингредиент? Что происходит сегодня?
So we have matza, we have eggs, we have caramelized onions, we have salt, we have pepper, and we have a little bit of water. Very simple. It's like a matza bride, similar. It's like a savory cake in a way, like a loaf.
You know, from when you were a kid.
Да.
That's when this recipe came out.
А это кошерно все?
Everything's kosher.
Well, let's make sure. Rabbi,
Yes.
is everything kosher?
Strictly kosher.
Good. Thank you. This dish actually originates from my great-grandfather who had a matzah factory in Minsk. He provided matzah for the entire Jewish community. Okay, so first we're just going to put some water in the matzah just to break it up a little bit.
Ну, это как терапия.
Mix it up a little bit.
Mix it up.
Make sure the water hits everything.
Но не должно быть супер wet.
No. In fact, we're going to get rid of the excess water.
Оно должно быть moist. Фарш выходит из пальчика.
Okay. So it's soaked up.
А мне вопрос, это можно через мясорубку делать?
Нет, рука.
Только руками.
Today you're doing it with caramelized onions, but you can also do it with duck fat. You can do it with beef bacon. You can do it with Granny Smith apples. You can make it 100 different ways. And wherever.
Вот так.
Yes.
Вместе. Teamwork makes a dream work, как они говорят. Вы знаете, у них будет скоро шоу выходить. Как называется оно?
Keeping it kosher.
Keeping it kosher.
Yeah.
Оно уже один, мне сказали, на YouTube есть, да?
Yeah, we already have one episode out. It'll be on Eat This TV network.
Сколько здесь лука примерно?
This is about 6 to 7 onions. Medallion. Now we're just going to add it. And we're going to see if we need all of it. Maybe we don't. So let's mix that first. Save a little bit for the bottom of the tray that we're going to cook it on. And with pepper.
Видите, как выглядит?
Now we're going to get the tray.
Да.
And we're just going to coat the bottom of the tray with some of these onions and the little bit of oil that's in there, the olive oil. And you want to make sure that it's in an even layer. Yeah. Yeah.
Что-то вкусненькое получилось.
This is how you add love into matza.
Now a bit more salt on the top.
Ага.
We put it in the oven and we cook it for about 20 minutes at
20 минут.
350 to 400.
350.
Is that in there? Close it. Wish it luck.
Life's all your way. Smacam that.
Excuse me.
Smacam with it.
Вау. Cheers.
Cheers.
Это с молочком и хороший сериал The Best. Они по-американски говорят «It hits the spot». Вот это вот. Рогай, подожди. Попробуй сюда.
Out of the oven, cut it in half so it can be more manageable.
Не горячая тебе?
It's okay. I'm just gonna cut a little piece. Get rid of that. So, I'm just gonna cut it into bite-sized pieces. And then we're going to decorate it with some caramelized onions and so we put a little bit on top.
А, так что еще сверху. Окей. Так что если вы будете готовить дома, оставьте еще чуть-чуть caramelized onions. Понимаете, у них это есть все, понимаете? Не юзайте все. Deal
Still, of course.
for the big deal. Holy
Always dill, always dill.
Always deal.
Okay.
Все, that's it.
And you take it with your hand?
Яла, как говорят, да? Тепленькая.
Jerusalem. Cheers.
Давайте, пупсики.
No. Does it taste like the old country?
Amazing. Знаешь, я ненавижу. Все говорят, что у нас Jewish food is boring. Are you crazy? You Michigan? Скажите, где ваше шоу находится?
Well, our show is called Keeping It Kosher, You can find us on YouTube, as well as on Roku, your Samsung TV, your Apple TV, anywhere where you have free streaming networks.
Мне в туалет надо, вот сейчас. Вадим, так, мы закончили съемки, забери меня. Я тебе прислала пин. Вадим, алло! Придурок.